Today we're assembling the PK1 ProStreamer HOOD for the Yolobox Cage. Your kit comprises of two sides, the top panel, your accessory kit, and of course you'll need the Yolobox Cage. We begin by inserting two M4 square nuts into the slots here on the side panel. Once both sides have the nuts in place, we need to ensure that the bolt holes can be seen all the way through so that the bolts can go through easily. Dropping an Allen key in and wiggling it around centres the two holes. Attaching the side to the cage involves popping the dimple into the top hole of the cage. Position in such a manner that the dimple is now on the cage. Then, using an M5 bolt, push the bolt through the lower hole of the cage. Grabbing a square nut, we can rotate the cage, position the square nut over the bolt. We can finger tighten the bolt. We do not need to tighten it at this stage. Grab the second bolt, grab the next square nut, position that over the bolt that's now through the cage. Let us now finger tighten. Do the same for the other side. Grabbing an M5 bolt, pop it through. Once again, M5 square nut goes on the inside frame. We can finger tighten the bolt. Last M5 bolt, finger tighten is fine. Now we need to assemble the top plate. The rear of the top plate is specifically designed with this element to block any light that would come between the outside and the Yolobox. We're using M4 bolts. Our aim here is to tighten the bolts only so that the plastic is flush at the top. Do not over tighten. Now that the top hood is fully bolted, we need to tighten the sides. Once again, these do not need to be overly tight. Positioning our M4 Allen key into the hole. Once it begins tension, that's it, you can stop.